Hello, in this video we're gonna see a Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher is the earliest non-substitution cipher which is invented by Julius Caesar for communicating with the military generals in a war. In Caesar cipher, the ciphertext is obtained by substituting each letter by a arbitrary letter, say n, and so on. For example, with a shift of 3, that means n is equals to 3, A would be replaced by D, B would be replaced by E, C would be replaced by F, and so on. The remaining letters shift with n is equals to 3 are shown here. Let's see an encryption and decryption with a shift of 3. For encryption, take a plain text. Meet me after the party. Now shift each letter with n is equals to 3. It gives cipher text PHHW, PHDIW, HU, WKH, SDU, WB. For the decryption of cipher text, just replace all these letters with shift of 3